HyperV. Creating a new virtual machine. In this video, I create an EVENG virtual machine on HyperV to practice some network system labs. EVENG VM. Next. Generation 2. Memory, 4096. Network. Virtual hard disk. Browse to the EVENG installer downloaded from the home page. Downloads. ISO file. Next. Finish. EVENG VM. Settings. Security. Disable secure boot. Apply. OK. EVENG VM. Connect. Start. Install EVENG Community. HyperV. English. Done. Continue. EVE Next Generation. Completed installation of the EVENG virtual machine on HyperV. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Username, admin. Password, Eve.